create policy, we're creating attributes around how sensitive data is to be handled as it crosses the network. Being able to send data in the clear is really quite important in a secure environment. Why? Because if the data, the payload of the data is protected, it means that your layer 7 or your deep packet inspection can't get access to the application data that it needs to get access to. So being able to define a policy where certain data or certain flows are sent in the clear, even for a short period of time, mean that your other security tools can continue to operate or function in the environment even though you're protecting the data. Microsegmentation, really very important because we don't handle all data the same. So the ability to define individual policies for each of our required data classifications introduces this concept of segmentation or microsegmentation. Here at Certes, we actually go one step further. Because we're protecting each individual segment or policy using cryptography, we actually use a term called cryptosegmentation, meaning we're defining microsegments using cryptographic boundaries. When it comes to data, our customers have high throughput or low latency requirements. Now, when it comes to technologies that protect data, typically the ability to scale or to handle that sensitive data is in some way compromised. Here at Certes, we're proud to say that our customers have a technology platform on which they can scale either the amount of data that needs to be protected or the business footprint that they have when it comes to handling that data. Observability is really very important. Our customers need to understand at all times how their business intent is being actioned within their environments. Understanding whether data is being protected, and if it is being protected, which policy is being used to protect that data. Having this metadata at hand means that our customers can detect, react and remediate any non-conformance events where data may not be being carried as business intent defines. Having this Certes metadata around how protected data is being handled in the environment can be coupled with other data sources from other security toolsets to help our customers define a broader, better understanding of how their environments in terms of security posture are operating. With tools such as AI or ML, then our customers can use all of that metadata, including that important Certes metadata, to better define how their environments are being protected dynamically, or when it comes to a non-conformance or a non-compliance event, react and remediate that event a lot more quickly than if manual intervention was required. Visibility is really important in an operational environment. Whether that's network operations or security operations, we have processes and procedures that allow us to make day-to-day adds, moves, changes, carry out things like troubleshooting. When you deploy any technology that protects data, you're in essence hiding that data from the network, meaning that it's typically harder for operations teams to conduct their day-to-day duties. Here at Certes, we have a patented layer 4 encryption. What that means is that from a network perspective, the headers are left intact, meaning that the network looks and behaves the same after the Certes technology is deployed as it did before, even though the data is protected according to that business intent that's been defined by the customer. Certes solutions are highly scalable, whether a customer has a high throughput requirement or low latency requirement, or perhaps both. Our customers can be sure that whether they need to scale horizontally or vertically within their environments, the Certes solution will scale with them. Many of our customers deploy us as a transparent solution, meaning that their networks operate and function the same after we're deployed as they did before. So when we talk about scalability, we're talking about being non-impacting to the performance of the data that is traversing the network. Critical to many of our customers that operate in high throughput, low latency environments, whether they're from finance, healthcare, critical national infrastructure or government. All of our customers can be sure that in terms of network performance or scalability requirements, the Certes solution will scale with them.